Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing SPUD, the spontaneous pop-up display. SPUD is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the SPUD design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables SPUD to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make SPUD as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the SPUD set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since SPUD is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about SPUD is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, SPUD is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. SPUD gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on SPUD. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we'll be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your SPUD?
What is pure luxury? Having everything you want when you want it. Introducing the Elements Blanket. Imagine being at one with the sea, at one with the earth, at one with yourself. A blanket crafted from revolutionary sustainable materials. The Elements Blanket is the only blanket that combines the caring benefits of sea cell with the energizing power of Celliant, blended together with the softest organic cotton. Sea Cell is made from organic seaweed that is sustainably harvested from the shores of the Icelandic fjords. Seaweed contains many vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. The C cell fibers within the blanket contain antioxidants that help protect you from free radicals. Free radicals come from pollutants in the air, the food you eat, and the world around you, and can accelerate aging, skin damage, and other adverse biological effects. Antioxidants are shown to neutralize and reduce free radicals, helping protect your skin. Living well demands the ultimate in comfort. The innovative, FDA-determined Celliant technology supports your rest and recovery. Celliant's eco-friendly technology recycles your body's natural energy into infrared light that is then emitted back into your body's tissue, aiding recovery and increasing energy. Infrared light is a proven vasodilator, boosting localized blood flow and increasing the amount of oxygen reaching your muscles, helping to restore them faster, perfect after any activity. And when it's time for bed, not only do you experience enhanced comfort, but the blanket also promotes a more restful and efficient night's sleep. The purest elements of nature blended together to support your every need. This is the most powerful all-in-one wellness blanket, created from the elements, made by Yasa.